Alright sa inyo, nagbabalik na naman po tayo sa panibagong video, tinatawag na Bad Parenting. Yes po, maglalaro po tayo netong laro na to because why? I love this game. Di joke lang, pero ito guys, kasi maglalaro po tayo netong laro na to because this is very interesting na na-late po ako sa trend. Yes, na-late po talaga ako sa uso nito guys. Kasi ngayon ko pa lang po ito ilalaro, kaya please hit the like button and subscribe. Let's started na po. Huwag na natin ipatagalin to. Let's go. Okay, new game tayo ngayon guys, okay? New game tayo. Tapos, so you mean, pipili kami, okay, so, ay, sorry. Sorry, I'm just gonna leave here. Here guys, here. Dito guys, dito. Here. Dito guys. Here. 9/16 na to guys, oh. Bilisan nyo. Dito guys. Help, please. Bulo ko dyan. Bye-bye. Teleporting. Bye-bye. Sorry. Shemay. Oh my goodness. Wait. Teka lang. Wait lang po. Wait lang kasi kaka-record ko pa lang eh. Wait lang. Take two. Wait lang. Wait lang, di pa ako ready guys. Wait lang. Take two. Wait lang. Hindi pa ako ready kasi. Game. Sige, isa. Let's go. Tatlong babae, isang lalaki. Ako yun. Let's go. Ba't ang weird naman ng... Ano yun? Ang ba't ang weird ng pronunciation ko dun ah. Pero ang weird. Original, created by... Mr. Redface. Let's go. Okay. Who are you, Mr. Redface? Kasi hindi ko pa ito nilaro. Yung pinaka full game nito kasi... Okay, ito na. Ito na. Mom, you're home late again. Yes, you are late again. Come on, I was just busy with work. You are busy because you are working. Yeah, ganun na nga. Can you have some empathy for me? No, Mom. Sorry, I cannot. But today is my birthday. Yeah. My birthday is August. Okay, so... Oh, of course I know that. Okay. Then where's my gift then? Okay guys, so ngayon tayo ay magsasolo guys. Solo po tayo kasi magsasolo tayo ngayon. Bakit tayo magsasolo? Kasi gusto ko lang magsolo. Pero asan na yung tatlong babae at ako lang mag-isa guys? Di ko alam. Really? Can you skip this scene? Pero joke lang. Sige. Of course. If you want to get your gift, you have to go to bed right away. Okay. So, sino si Mr. Red? Hindi ko kasi pinapanood yung video nito kasi wala lang. Ayaw ko kasi ma-spoiled. Ayaw ko makita yung pinaka-buong game kasi, yeah. So guys, gagawa po tayo nito ng part 2. Okay? Gagawa tayo ng part 2 nito. Guys. Okay? Gagawa tayo ng part 2 nito. Kung saan tayo nag-stop, doon natin itutuloy. Okay? Hindi, joke lang. Pero, wala na itong part 2 guys. Wala na itong part 2, part 3, part 4. Wala na itong part 1. I mean, ito yung part 1 pero wala lang part 2. Okay? Ganun tayo ngayon. Okay, so, okay. Ito na pala. Yo, Dad! Hi, Dad! Hey, little kid, get some back to your room. Okay. Don't stand there. Ever up. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go to my room. Where is my room? Is this my room? No. Is this my room? Yes. It is? Yes, this is my room. But whose room in here? I think it's mine. Okay, I guess. Ang creepy ng laro ah. Hindi ko alam ba't ang creepy ng laro. Pero, gano'n ata yung mga laro guys. Kasi mga laro ngayon yun, ang creepy ng laro ng mga ngayon eh. Hindi ko na alam kung ano gagawin ko dito eh. So, ano gagawin ko? Matutulog na? Ganun ba gagawin ko dito guys? Matutulog guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin ko dito eh. Matutulog ba o gigising? Oi, oi, oi! Oi, who are you? Hey! Hey! Bro! Bro! Bro, who are you? Hindi ako natatakot sa'yo, joke lang. Hey, hey, yo! Is that the gift, Mr. Redface? No way! Oh my goodness, who are you? Who are you? Hi, I'm Ron. Who are you, Ron? And what are you doing in my room? Wait, what? You can talk? Of course, because I have created by magic. Magic? What do you mean by magic? You mean yung si Mr. Redface ba yun? Or something? That's right. My master made you for you, but your neck seems to be too. Okay, loose. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Sometimes my master makes mistakes. Is a partner that follow on for now? I will be your best friend. That sounds wonderful. I don't think so na wonderful yun kasi marami kasi mga story nito mga hindi magagandang scene or scenario to. Kasi katulad nito, etong dala to, nag-appear siya sa room ko dahil doon sa Mr. Redface na yun. Bakit? Kasi ayun yung point niya eh. Parang ayun yung pinaka-sentence niya. Basta, hindi ko alam. Can you try again? That again? Okay, can you please try? Hey! Hey, Doc! What are you doing here, Doc? Hey, Doc! You're so weird. Okay, so, I'm hungry. Yeah, nagugutom na nga ako eh. I mean, kakakain ko lang pala sa inyo nila pero nagugutom ako sa laro. You're a doll. No, I will be the eating one. I don't think sure you are be a good doll like yun kasi mga ganito kasi mga nakakatakot na eh. I mean ba yung mga higher levels na eh. Diba? Guess nyo ba? Or hindi? Hindi. Okay, I'm gonna get some food now. Bye-bye muna. At hindi na tayo babalikan, sorry. I will never gonna see you again. Joking. I'm just joking. Mom, where are you? I'm home. Where's the food? I need the food. Wait, what? You're reading this letter at 1 p.m. Aren't you sleepyhead? I prepared your favorite dish in the fridge. So remember to do heat up before eating. Lately, I noticed you've been getting lazy about eating. You know I don't have much time at home. So please learn and take care of yourself and stop making me worry. One more time. Okay. Whoa. Hey, yo. What are you doing here? I'm just reading the notes here. Why are you doing here? Give me this. Wow, ang galing mo naman. Magic yan ah. Hey, yo. Galing mo naman, Lods. Paano mo nagagawa yun? Where's mom? What the heck? Si Mr. Redface, is that you? Hindi ako natatakot. Okay. I mean, I'm not scared, but yung mga ganun scenario kasi na, parang di mo na lang gagawin mo dito eh. And naglalag na naman po tayo. Yes. Okay. So, anong gagawin ko? Okay, let's go sleep then kasi I'm not sure. You're dead? Don't worry, my master has taken your dad away. Okay, I have bad feeling about this kasi marami mga gante. Even na YouTuber. Si Pile Station, guys. He's so scared about this game. Hindi ko alam Let's sleep then, I guess. Pwede na mo matulog guys dito, hindi ko alam Anong gagawin ko dito? Where is my dad? Hey, yo, what are you doing here? Ang bilis mo naman Kanina, andun ka lang. Tapos kayo, andito ko na agad. Ang bilis mo naman, no? Ano yun? Teleportation? Galing mo naman. Because your dad is a bad person. Huh? What do you mean? He's often lets you out. Okay. Mr. Redface, are you there? I don't think sure. Parents like that are taken away by Master Protect me? Are you sure about that? Hindi ko alam. Okay? He's a bad person. Okay, if he's a bad person, and why you gonna tell about this observation again? And hindi ko po kasi binabasa yung mga subtitles nito kasi ayoko lang talaga ibasa yung mga subtitles nito kasi wala lang. Ayoko lang ibasa nito guys kasi gusto lang naman na it's quite long away to where's God. Okay. That means itong dal na to, itong dal na to, or yung manika na to, is about red face. So, parang binigyan ni red face yung itong dal para, maano ko yung scenario dito, parang sa laro. Okay. I guess we should sleep then, I guess. Wow, ang bilis mo naman. Andyan ka na agad. Wait. 1, 2, 3. So, bakit may tatlong dal dito na binigay ni Mr. Redface? Hindi ko alam. Should we sleep again? Yeah. I'm gonna sleep now. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm gonna sleep now. What I'm gonna do? Ano ba dito? Ano bang gagawin ko dito? Ano bang gagawin ko dito guys? Hindi ko na alam. Yeah. This is important. Okay. Ang weird ng mga response mo ah. Anyways, should I eat this? I think no. I guess hindi ko alam ah. Pero okay, yung mga memes dyan, yes. Oh my goodness! Andito ko na agad. Okay. I will give a try. Okay then. I hope you can do it, I guess. Kasi, wala lang. What do you mean? Where? Here? Where? Asan? Please, tell me. Yo, what the heck? Wait, what the? Wait. What? Okay. Paano? How? Tapos, ano gagawin ko dito? Ganito? Ayun eh! Tapos dito. Paano ba? Ganito? Bro, are you serious? Andun na ako eh! Bro, are you serious? Andun na ako eh. Okay! Yes, palagi na lang tayo nahuhulog. Yes. Tapos, oh my goodness. Okay. Wow! Yes. Hindi ko na alam ang ginagawa ko, guys. Okay, ayoko na. Please, stop. Ano ba ginagawa ko? Ayoko na. Palagi lang tayo nahuhulog eh. Ano ba yan? Ha? Ano magagawin ko dun? I-stop lang ba talaga? Or may mga questions ba? Hindi ko na alam. Tapos ang gagawin. Okay? Maybe, should I move? Okay, so yun lang po sa video na to and sana ma-enjoy nyo. Yun lang po talaga and thank you and goodbye. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.